wish and hold it tight. Gifts and hugs and joyful cheers. Let's celebrate your growing years. Toy parade, let's march along with teddy bears and birthday songs. Drums and horns and fun galore. We dance, we laugh and ask for more. Around the world, hey Lily's cumpleaños. Joy's anniversary. No matter where we sing and share. Birthday love from every land. Clap your hands and join the band. Happy birthday to you. Let's jump, clap and move. Happy birthday, come along. Sing and dance this birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Let's jump, clap and move. Happy birthday, come along. Sing and dance this birthday song. Mom and Dad, they dance with you. Sisters, join in too. Hugs and kisses, party treats. Dancing shoes on happy feet. Jump on foot, spin real fast. Birthday moves that always last. Freeze like ice and shake your hips. It's time for funny birthday flips. How old are you? Shout it loud. I'm Pi. Wow, be proud. Let's count the candles one by one. Birthday fun for everyone. Unique, hey, another cheer. Let's party big, your day is here. Wave your hands now, twist and slide. The birthday train is on a ride. Happy birthday to you. We sing, we dance, hooray, woohoo. Let's celebrate all through the year. With joy and cake and birthday cheer. Happy birthday to you. We sing, we dance, hooray, woohoo. Let's celebrate all through the year. With joy and cake and birthday cheer. Now the candles fade tonight. Dreams will shine so big and bright. Thanks for coming, time to sleep. Happy birthday. Memories to keep.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Creative Leap Kids for more fun and learning.